I'm going to give you all some advice. If you ever have a loan from a bank or a credit union, pawn everything you own so you keep up to date with your payments. If you're not rich, you know, or not well off, if you're a low-income family and your bills are exceeding your paychecks, you're behind on all your utilities and anything else, pawn everything so you keep up to date on your payments. We were with American First Credit Union. We got a loan so we can get this place reshingled. Actually, we got a loan to pay off my wife's credit card. She was in debt for, I'm not going to tell you how much. And then we used that to reshingle the roof. Okay? We got a little bit behind on this. We had paid them $118 a month. Got a little bit behind. They called us a few times. I called them back. I said, I'll pay on this date, and then I'll pay this date and this date. Well, I paid on one date, and the other 2 dates came and went, and I didn't have enough to pay it. But they sent us this letter. Dear cosigner, failure to respond to previous notices, complete lie. Requesting payment of your past due cosigner account has resulted in termination of your account access and suspension of your membership privileges. We had $25 in your credit union savings account. It's imperative that you contact our office immediately to make arrangements to pay the amount past due. Be advised, the delinquent status of this debt is being reported to 3 major national credit reporting agencies and will remain on your credit history for a maximum period of time specified under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So basically, our credit is now shit. Crap, you know. We're screwed. Sincerely, American First Credit Union Collections Department. Okay, it says failure to respond to previous notices. That is a total lie. I replied. I called them back. I set up payment dates. I made the first one, which was already 3 months behind, and with other bills and Christmas coming along, we got a little bit behind again. We're going on 3 months behind, but they reported us to creditors. So now our credit is shot. My advice to you: do not attempt to get a loan of any kind. Okay, I've been denied loans. I needed, to get a vehicle a few years back. I got denied a loan for $3,000 to get a used car by my bank and another bank. But the banks will deny your loans every time if you don't have enough of a credit history. I don't have enough accounts open long enough to have a credit history. But no thanks to this, these schmucks right here, I now have bad credit, as does my wife. Okay, I get paid once a month, but it's coming early this time, so yes, I can pay a portion of this. My wife gets paid just before Christmas. She can pay another portion of this. Instead of lying and saying that we have failed to respond to their previous notices, which there weren't any this last time around, why don't they actually call us this time? I mean, we've had calls where we got an answering machine and nobody has said anything. There's been calls where I've answered the phone and they've hung up. Maybe it was them, maybe not. I don't know. But don't lie and don't ruin our credit by reporting us to a credit agency. We're a bold-faced lie right here. What previous notices? I called you back the last time. Don't be liars. Don't ruin our credit because you're impatient. How's the old saying go? You can't squeeze blood from a stone. If we don't have money for it, you're not going to get it. You're going to have to wait. What are you doing to garnish our wages? Okay, so what happens if our gas and our water get shut off? I can deal without the phone, and the internet. But say we lose the gas, the water. Yeah. There's another, I swear there's another utility. Electricity. What happens if we lose all that? Okay, well, we have to keep this place insured or we get booted out. And there's my car insurance. It's illegal to drive without car insurance. There are other bills. We have 2 storage units that we should consolidate. But, again, we're behind on those as well. There's other things I can say. Groceries. Come on, we have to live. We have to live, America First Credit Union. Don't be impatient. Don't expect us to have money when we need it for other things. You'll get your money. It might take a little bit longer than usual. But there you go. I wonder what's going to happen when I call them and explain this to them. If you need to apply for a loan, don't go to a credit union. Yeah, they might help you. Yeah, they might help you when a bank won't. But they're probably more impatient about getting their money back. Obviously. This is bullcrap. There you have it.